Welcome to Supreme DPF Cleaning YouTube video channel. Today we are test driving Renault Traffic or Vauxhall Vivaro, which came in with the EGR and DPF issues. What would you like to say about your car? How was it driving and how is it driving now?
It was driving very sluggish. It was always producing engine management light and faults. I took it to the garage. They said they couldn't do much. I paid a lot of money out and very bad. But now there's no smoke, no engine management lights, and I'm very, very happy. The power is much more better. There's a lot more torque from the engine and I'm very happy.
And you got a smile on your face. Thank you very much. Thank you, Martin. Right, we are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR and turbo issues. And also we are content tuning Bromley, Kent ECU engineers. Thanks for watching.